Delivering best-in-class customer solution is key for us. We also rely on our powerful partner network. I'm happy that Utz Weil, ENTIRETEC, is here with me today. Thank you for joining us today.
Hello from me too. We are glad for the opportunity to talk about our partnership.
Utz, ENTIRETEC is an official Siemens partner since 2021. Close collaboration and exchange on latest technologies and customer requirements are totally natural between us. We are very happy about this trusted partnership. What's in for you as a Siemens partner?
To make it short, exciting projects, interesting customers, and first-class proven technology. In our joint initiatives, we bundle IT and OT know-how, which is essential for the perfect collaboration between the two worlds. Siemens, as an automation technology supplier, knows how industrial networks must be designed. ENTIRETEC, as a managed service provider, brings in IT expertise and covers 24/7 networking operation. Together, we achieve the best solution for our customers.
Utz, you explained to me earlier that you show our customers here what solutions ENTIRETEC offers and what the close cooperation with Siemens is like in such transformation projects. What are the biggest challenges in such projects for you, and how does the partnership with Siemens helps to master them?
The greatest challenge is to unify the different requirements of OT and IT. Security aspects are paramount here. When OT opens up for cloud services, you need to apply IT techniques such as segmentation, firewall, and zero trust. At the same time, IT must meet OT requirements. For example, availability in even harsh requirements and reliable data transmission for time-critical applications. After all, you need to ensure 24/7 operations. By partnering with Siemens, we can offer customers as a holistic approach from field to cloud, from design to operations.
When you look into the future, what relevance will the partner ecosystem have for an ENTIRETEC? How important will it be to form strong partnerships to meet the demands from the markets?
Let it put me this way. Today's complexity and the range of requirements can hardly be mastered alone. Utilizing a strong partner ecosystem with experienced specialists is much smarter. As an amateur beekeeper, allow me to draw a small comparison from nature. The most beautiful fruit blossom is useless for the farmer if the bee does not contribute. Likewise, we unite our forces for our customers in a strong partner ecosystem.
Thank you, Utz, for this revealing insight. Thank you for being with us today.
For any questions, please feel free to contact Michael or me via LinkedIn. Looking forward to seeing you next time. Thanks again and stay safe.